Imagine a future where technology shapes every aspect of our lives in ways we can barely imagine. From smart implants to futuristic travel, the world of tomorrow is closer than you think. Today, we're exploring 5 emerging technologies that promise to change the world forever. First on our list, drone delivery systems. Imagine a world where groceries, packages, and even medical supplies can be delivered to your doorstep by a drone. Companies like Amazon and Google are investing billions in drone technology to make fast, reliable deliveries possible. Drones use AI for navigation, GPS for tracking, and real-time obstacle detection for safe landings. This technology could change logistics forever, reduce traffic, and lower pollution levels in cities. If you're as excited about the future of technology as we are, don't forget to subscribe to TechUniverse for more mind-blowing insights like these. And here's today's question for you. Which company was one of the first to develop commercial drones for deliveries? Leave your answer in the comments, and if you're right, you'll get a heart from us. Up next, the Neuralink brain chip, an innovation developed by Elon Musk's company, Neuralink. This brain implant aims to bridge the gap between the human mind and artificial intelligence, allowing people to control devices with their thoughts. Imagine using this chip to treat neurological conditions like Alzheimer's, restoring lost motor functions, or even uploading knowledge directly into your brain. While Neuralink is still in the testing phase, its potential to revolutionize medicine and human potential is limitless. Third on our list is a supermaterial that has scientists buzzing graphene. Known for being just one atom thick and stronger than steel, graphene has an array of futuristic uses, from ultra-efficient batteries to building stronger, lighter structures. Imagine a world where your phone charges in seconds or skyscrapers stand resiliently against earthquakes. Graphene's flexibility and conductivity could lead to next-generation electronics, energy storage solutions, and more. Its potential applications are nearly endless. Fourth, let's take to the skies with hybrid plane engines. These engines combine traditional jet fuel with electric power, cutting emissions and making air travel more sustainable. Imagine a world where your flight generates minimal carbon footprint while still allowing you to cross continents. Companies like Airbus and Boeing are already working on hybrid prototypes to reduce the aviation industry's environmental impact. With hybrid planes, we could travel faster, cleaner, and with lower environmental costs. And finally, a groundbreaking approach to reverse aging, led by tech entrepreneur Bryan and his Project Blueprint. By investing millions in lifestyle adjustments, tech-based health monitoring, and even plasma transfusions, Johnson aims to rewind the human body's age. His protocol includes high-intensity workouts, advanced diet plans, and innovative supplements, all aimed at making a 50-year-old biologically 30. The science of anti-aging is growing, with potential breakthroughs that could extend life expectancy and improve quality of life for millions. From mind-reading chips to pollution-free flights and even reversing age itself, these emerging technologies offer a glimpse into the amazing future ahead of us. Which technology are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to TechUniverse for more on the latest innovations.